I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just punching the buy button the next morning to get the stocks you saw on TV last night. I'm here to help you make money on these three stocks I saw on TV. First of all, Restoration Hardware. You can see this company's, the stock has just absolutely been crushed from over $100. Basically lost, what, 2/3 of its market cap. And then came earnings. Company reported some pretty nasty earnings. They actually lost 5 cents a share in the first quarter versus I think they made 5 cents a share or something last year, in last quarter. Last year during the first quarter. Anyway, their revenue grew, but their same store sales, which is like the big deal, the growth was below estimates, so the stock got crushed. Now, here's the thing. This is a 1-minute chart after hours. The stock traded down for quite a bit, and then at some point, somebody came in and took, I mean, on Wall Street terms, 250,000 shares isn't a big amount of money, but this is basically the floor here right now. So my suggestion is on this, respect the downtrend, but also be opportunistic. If this stock starts rallying tomorrow morning, as long as it's staying above the opening print, I think this is a stock that that you can be making a trade on. You got to respect the long-term downtrend, but you want to see this kind of climax. You want to see this kind of crescendo in volume where you can say, and of course we see what happened here, but you can say, you know what, I think this trade is to the upside. Ultimately, it didn't really work out here, but you didn't lose money either. You could see, okay, we didn't really get that much of a bounce. So here, watch this. Do not sell this stock tomorrow morning. If you bought the stock because you think they're going to report great earnings, why you would do that in the retail space, I don't know. But if you did that, don't sell first thing in the morning. Let the stock kind of find its level, and then you probably even want to get long. Okay, international paper. Kramer was talking about this on Mad Money. He just likes this company, and he kind of uses it as one of the barometers for the economy. 75% of international papers, business is domestic. You know what they do, like, dude, corrugated boxes. Next time you go to the UPS store, you're probably shipping your stuff in a box made by United Paper or International Paper. Anyway, so I'm looking at this. This is a stock that you can buy, in my view, not as a trade right now. If you're looking to trade, try to wait for a little bit of a pullback or make sure that the stock's going to break out, say, above 45. But if you're just looking at the chart, this was a big low. This consolidation here on the weekly chart is starting to give way to the upside. So ultimately, IP goes higher, and that's a good thing for our economy, right? Then comes gold. Peter Schiff was on Fast Money, having it out with Tim Seymour. And I just wanted to cover gold for this reason. I mean, Schiff, of course, says it's going to the moon. Seymour says, where's the beef? And I don't need to recount their arguments. I'm just looking at this. This is right in the middle of a range. Don't buy gold here at $1.20. Hopefully, we'll get some kind of pullback where you can get it below 120, the high teens. 118, 116, or if you must, wait for a breakout. But buying this right in the middle of the range isn't really, in my view, a great idea. But ultimately, here's the weekly chart. Support at 115 after a nasty downtrend here. Okay, so I think this stock works. Support's here. Look for this kind of move. I think gold's going higher in the long run. Short term, though, got to wait for a better entry. Okay, that's it for this edition of 3 Stocks I Saw on TV. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor. I want to see you over there.